The rear brake lines are close to the ground and can see a lot of wear and tear, weather, and road debris. You should inspect them every 6 months. The lines will eventually start to fail and should be replaced at the very first signs of trouble. Inspect them for rips, tears, leaks, or bulges and replace if you even suspect the start of a failure. Once the lines are replaced, you must completely bleed your brake system. Do not attempt to drive the vehicle without first bleeding your brakes. The flexible line attaches to a hard lines on both the caliper and chassis and allow for movement in the suspension system. Here you can see where the flexible line mounts to the chassis side, red arrow. This image shows the flexible line, green arrow, and where it attaches to the hard line on the caliper, indicated by the blue arrow. You want to use the right tool for the job. That tool is a flared nut wrench that is designed to grasp the nut on 5 sides. The nuts on the hard lines are easy to strip and very difficult to replace. Do yourself a favor and use the right tool. On the chassis side, use an 11mm flared nut and loosen the connection. The nut on the hard line should be the only thing that turns. The flexible line has 2 prongs in the line that hold it stationary in the bracket, indicated by the red arrow. Pull the flexible line out from the hard line, blue arrow. In this image, you can see the notches in the flexible line that must line up and sit in the bracket, red arrow. It's a really good idea to cap the hard line while the flexible line is off, red arrow. This will help protect the line, stop debris from getting in, and keep fluid from getting out. Removal of the line from the caliper is the same procedure, only you will be using a 10mm flared nut wrench. Remove the line and replace them. Installation is the reverse of removal. Never use any sort of tape or sealant on the threads when attaching the lines. Now you must bleed your brake system. Do not attempt to drive the vehicle until you have completely bled the brakes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.